Good morning, treasurers. This is your host Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. In the international market, US senators offered 908 billion coronavirus aid proposal on Tuesday as part of its efforts to overcome legislative lockdown. On the data front, in the US, the ISM said its index of manufacturing activity in November fell to 57.5 from a 21-month high of 59.3 in the prior month. Yesterday, US 10-year closed 8 basis points up at 0.92 percentage points and 30-year also up 8 basis points at 1.66. Predominantly, the rise in the yields was driven by vaccine hopes. We already have mentioned many times that the US yield curve will steepen and the 10-year yields will rise, and the triggers would be vaccine and fiscal stimulus. In Eurozone, manufacturing purchasing managers index fell to 53.8 in November from 54.8 in October, but the report also showed the factories were optimistic over future demand. In China, the official manufacturing purchasing managers index last month rose to 52.1, staying in the growth territory for the last 9 consecutive months. In the crude oil market, for the week ending November 27th, the American Petroleum Institute (API) reported on Tuesday a build in crude oil inventories of 4.1 million barrels versus analyst prediction of inventory draw of 2.3 million barrels. OPEC Plus has postponed the meeting till Thursday as they could not reach the consensus on the future of oil production cuts starting January 2021. With this inventory build and OPEC Plus uncertainty, oil prices continue to see profit booking. Crude is currently trading at $46.93 per barrel. Crude's short-term range is 46 to 48. But again, we at Night Research are bullish on crude in the medium to long-term basis, and we do see crude reaching $50 per barrel very soon. In the currency market, DXY or dollar index is at 91.22 and made not only 52-week but also 32 months low as well. DXY's today's range seems to be 90.88 to 91.48. USD CNY or Chinese yuan is at 656. USD INR with a low of 73.45 closed at 73.65 on Tuesday. USD INR's range for today seems to be 73.50 to 73.75. USD INR is heading towards 73.50 and we are expecting RBI intervention at this junction. But as of now, India continues to see FII inflows in equities even in December, which is increasing the demand for rupee. In the domestic market, 577 GS 2030 closed at 593 versus 591. MPC meeting is starting from today, December 2nd to 4th. The commentary at the upcoming MPC is going to be very crucial. What they say about growth and inflation and how delicately they address this abundant liquidity problem. Inflation is not coming down and growth is recovering, so that there is a fear about the comments on when and how accommodative measures will be reversed. Abundant liquidity is a bigger problem. CPI inflation data will come on 12th of December, and we at Night Research expect inflation to ease from previous month's 7.61 percentage points to 690 to 710 range. We at Night Research also believe that the yields are going up structurally as central banks' support is limited and SDL yields are also rising again. 1st December 2020 SDL auction analysis, if we speak about that, then 8-year Andhra Pradesh auction cutoff came at 640, 9-year Gujarat at 649, 10 years Karnataka at 653, Rajasthan at 662 and Jammu Kashmir at 665. From yesterday's auctions, we can conclude that 10-year SDL lower band is set at 653 and the higher band is up to 665. We at Night Research were vocal about exiting your SDL positions at 640-645 levels for a long time. We still feel the SDL yields are rising slowly, but they will rise for sure. That's it for today. You were listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech. See you tomorrow with a new episode of Night Snippets.